Hello! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this Bisquick pumpkin bread. It is absolutely delicious. It is so easy to make, and the best part is a little bit on the lighter side. It's only 232 calories a slice. I'm going to make sure I put the recipe and also the nutrition information down in the description box, so make sure you check it out there. If you're new here, I'm Sonia, and I cannot wait to show you this yummy recipe. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna start out by turning on our oven to 350 degrees. You're gonna need a 9x5 inch just bread loaf pan. If it's slightly different, 9x4, whatever, it'll do. 9x5 is better, but it'll work with whatever you have. You're gonna go ahead and take some cooking spray, whatever you have, and make sure you just spray this really well. I usually like to do it over my sink, but I wanna show you guys. Just make sure it's sprayed really well. Now let's start with mixing up all our wet ingredients. We are going to start out with 1 cup of pumpkin puree. I'm just using the Libby's, but you can use whatever you can find in your grocery store. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Then we are going to do a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. We're going to add in 3 large eggs. Mine are brown eggs, but you can pick whatever kind of eggs that you like. Mine have a little, I think they're got a little bit different feet, so the yolk's just a little bit darker. I think it tastes just a tad better. Just gonna add all those in. Now you're gonna need 1/3 cup of your favorite oil. It could be a vegetable oil, a canola oil. I'm actually making this a tad healthier, and I'm using just olive oil, but anything that you could find, this is just like the Kirkland olive oil, but anything you could find would actually work. Now we're gonna do 1.5 teaspoons of your favorite vanilla. A little bit more, ain't gonna hurt. And now we're just gonna blend it all up. Whatever Bisquick you want. I'm going to use the Bisquick Heart Smart one, but you can use the regular Bisquick. Whatever one you want to use is up to you. This one's just a little bit healthier. Two teaspoons of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. 1 teaspoon. Now we're just gonna blend it all together. Now you could add in some pecans, some chocolate chips, whatever your heart desires. Now just gonna add a little few more calories, but some of us don't really care. When you're having something fun to eat, just like, okay, I don't care what's in it. But some of us need to watch what we eat, so we probably can't add in those things, but you do you. We are going to place this into the oven for 50 to 60 minutes, just about an hour. You'll know it's done when your tester or your toothpick comes out clean. Like me, you're going to want your pumpkin bread to come out nice and pretty. So when it comes out of the oven, let me show you a little trick. So what you're going to want to do is when it comes out in the oven, you're going to want to lay it on its side and just let it cool until, for a while, until this is no longer hot. And I also flip it to the other side and make sure this is cool, so it slowly kind of separates from the pan. And I'll even go like this, I'll go like this. I might even give a little shake. Sometimes I go ahead and take my knife and just run it around the edges. I did it right when it came out of the oven. It's been sitting here for probably about, I don't know, give or take 30 minutes. So I think it's ready. I can see when I hit it, it's already pulled from the glass on all the sides. Because I do know that after you've made something like this, you want it to come out look pretty. See? Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Came out perfectly. Oh, and my whole house, y'all, it smells amazing. Last thing to do, and that's to give it a little taste. Wow, y'all, that tastes so good. I hope you guys give this a try. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.